Hi, I'm Magnus Persson from Voysys, and this is a very short introduction on how the coordinate system in Voysys VR Producer is set up and how you move objects in the editor of the system. So let's just quickly add an object here to this live 360 camera, and I have an object in another scene. So now you see the cross in the middle here. That's the center of our scene, and the axes are set up like this. The x-axis is going from that cross to the right when we look into the screen like this. The y-axis is going from the cross and upwards. The z-axis is going out from the cross. So actually towards you when you are watching the screen. So when I move something along the z-axis and I want it to move from me into the picture itself, like I'm doing now, I'm moving it on a negative side of the z-axis. And I want it to be closer to me. I'm going to increase the z value. So this object now is more or less on 1 meter distance from the center of this scene. And when you're in the equirectangular view, the post rotation is actually the fastest way to move objects around, because the rotation around the y-axis will move the object left and right, as you see. While the post rotation around the x-axis will move it up and down. So post rotation around x and y-axis is a really quick way of moving an object on the equirectangular view. If I go into the player view, then it's more obvious to use the positioning. Here you see, as I'm now looking straight ahead in the scene, my Y position goes up and down, and my X position goes right left. My Z position still goes back forth. I hope this gave you an introduction on how the coordinate system is set up. There is also a possibility to rotate the objects around its own center. So this object can be rotated around its y-axis, and since the y-axis is going up, it will rotate like this. It can also be rotated around its x-axis, like this. It can also be rotated around its z-axis, like this. Thank you for watching.